Welcome to this luxury penthouse condo in Bluff Park, right at the beach. This top floor condo features high ceilings, recessed lighting, 3 bedrooms, each with its own full bathroom, and an additional guest bath. It also has 4 outdoor spaces. This property has a 2-car attached garage and 2 driveway spaces, which is so valuable this close to the beach in the city of Long Beach. If you've been dreaming about living at the beach, dream no more. Let's get together and make this a reality.